Welcome, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to be making a dancehall beat today. So, yeah, let's begin. I always start making my beats using a piano. Let me look for a piano. Let me start with the chords. We're going to be making a dancehall beat, so let's start with the chords. Then I'm going to take some notes out. Today I'm looking to go for a dancehall kind of vibe. What I'm going to do is I will look for a plug, look for a melody, and then change this chord progression into tiny beats. You guys will see what I'll do. Because I don't want to complicate this beat that hard, so what I will do with it is add a vocal chop, add drums, and then that's it. I just have all you need: the chord progression, a counter melody, a vocal, and maybe some drums, and you're good. We have this simple like vocal like be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chords, change them into a black, and then we'll see where it takes us. So let's look for a black, and I think I'm going to use, let me try using. So yes, I think this one I guess will do. So I'm going to shorten the no chords. I'm going to shorten them. Then this is what I'm going to do. So now that we have this one, I'm going to, I guess I need another like counter to counter this black. So what we're going to do afterwards is we're going to add drums, and I guess that will be it for the beat. Add a kick, and then I add a bass. Then yeah, I guess we are done. Once we had those three, we are done with this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a comment down. Make sure you also subscribe and you like the video. Yeah, let's finish this video.